saw the C5 Galaxy take off this morning. Unfortunately, we couldn't get it on video, but it's no longer here, so hopefully you got a chance to see it. If not, you can check out our video from yesterday. We did get a little coverage of it, but let's see what we can find today. There are a bunch of Ford Model Ts here. We're gonna see if we can catch a ride in one. Ford Model T 24.
Yep, 1924. And it's got Edsel Ford II signature on the front.
This is so cool. I've never ridden in a Model T before.
That's definitely the oldest car I've ever been in. Wow, that was awesome. Being able to ride in a piece of history like that, a 1924 Model T Ford, fantastic. Never been in a car with anything like it. The throttle control was on the steering wheel. There was a brake pedal, a gas pedal, and a reverse pedal, which you could also use as a brake. It was completely different than being in any other car, and I'd love to go for a drive on the open road someday. Top speed, 55, but good operating speed is about 35, so just cruise along.
And today's free jerky flavor is tender beef steak.
As we mentioned yesterday, we were walking through the show and saw that they have RVs here too. It looks like Eldorado Trailer Sales has brought out a number of Super Cs, and we love Super Cs so much that we were at Show Hauler about a month ago. We'll link to those videos here. But they brought out a garage unit. We haven't seen a garage unit yet. We want to go in, check that out, and see what it has to offer. And these things have some serious towing capacity, so we're going to go take a look at some of the trailers they have that tow cars and all sorts of toys. So this should be fun. Now this is cool. This is going to take us into the garage, my favorite place. How cool is this? This is like my own personal man cave. There's a big screen TV in here. I could turn this into a man cave, use it as a garage. But the best part is, if I really upset Kate, there's an escape hatch and I can run away. She won't be able to catch me going out of that thing. Now, Eldorado Trailer Sales also brought out a Renegade double stack trailer. This is awesome. day 5 is coming to an end. We might come back later for Big Bad Voodoo Daddy on the Ford stage. We have to get back, take care of Leo, take a break ourselves. It actually started getting really hot today after the rain. I've got bombers going over my head, bombs in the background, and we are giving away an exclusive Ford Oshkosh 2016 hat. Leave a comment below if you want to win.